Okay, students, Insurance 101, last day, finals next week. You're all ready. I'm sure you're all going to do very well, but let's just have a quick few questions just to make sure we all got it together. Idrif, what was the change in the Affordable Care Act that makes Medi-Cal a lot easier for Cal State students to get?
You don't have to have a child to be eligible for Medi-Cal.
Perfect. That's the right answer. You're going to get an A for sure. Lily, how many Cal State students were not insured when Covered California started?
About 100,000 students.
100,000, right on. You're up for an A2. Chris, how many students in Cal State, in the Cal State system, do not have insurance now?
About 40,000 students.
So we reduced from 100,000 to 40,000. Very good, but we still got 40,000 to go. Daniela, what is the last day students can register for Covered California insurance this year and have insurance for 2015?
Sunday, February 15th.
Okay, looks like you're all ready to go. Everybody's going to get an A. I have one last question for you. I know the answer, of course. How many of you have insurance? Maybe you didn't get the, maybe I misspoke. How many of you have insurance? Not one of you has insurance? I've been teaching this class for 10 weeks, day after day after day, telling you about insurance, and not one of you has insurance. I'm a total failure. We're going to have to get to the bottom of this, one by one. Idrif, why don't you have insurance?
I guess I don't really need it.
You guess you don't need it. I see you got a skateboard there. You and your friends skateboard a lot?
Totally.
Anybody ever get injured with the skateboard?
One time, one of my friends, he broke his leg in a competition. So sick.
Cracked his leg in a competition last month. And how much did that cost in the ER? Do you remember?
$500.
Maybe $500. Good guess if we were talking about 1950, but it's 2015. You better go check the insurance prices on Covered California Shop and Compare tool, and you better figure out what the cost of an ER visit is, and then we'll come back. Lily, why don't you have insurance?
It's too expensive.
Too expensive. I'll make you a deal. If the popcorn you have, you find out how much that popcorn costs, how much the movie ticket is. If the popcorn and the movie ticket are less than the insurance, you don't have to buy it. If the popcorn and the movie ticket are more than the insurance, you buy insurance, okay? Deal?
Deal.
Deal, okay. Chris, our economist, why don't you have insurance?
Well, I assumed that paying the cost of the fine would be less expensive than paying for health insurance, so I took the less expensive option.
Brilliant assumptions, but did you actually check them? Did you actually look at the price of insurance?
Well, no, I just assumed it.
You just assumed. I suggest you check your assumptions. Find out what the price of the fine is, what the price of insurance is in Fresno, and we'll go from there. Daniela, why don't you have insurance?
I hear it's really complicated to apply.
Oh, you think it's hard to figure out what to do. Okay, here's what we'll do. The first one of these three that finishes their homework will help you, and we'll figure out how long it takes you and what you have to pay. Okay, everyone, you got your assignments? All right, go do your homework. We'll come back. Okay, everybody. So everybody's done their research. Let's see what we got. Idrif, what's the cost of an ER visit?
Something.
You want to speak up? I didn't hear that.
$3,500.
$3,500. And that probably is just for the ER visit. Probably doesn't include the surgeon that's going to come in, or the hospital stay that might be involved, or the weeks of recovery. $3,500. And what's the cost of insurance for you in Los Angeles?
$26 a month.
$26 a month, as opposed to thousands of dollars of risk on an accident on your skateboard. I think I'm a winner. I think you're getting insurance. Lily, what's the cost of the popcorn?
$8.
What's the cost of the movie ticket?
$12.
$12. $20. And what is the cost of insurance for you in San Jose?
$1 a month.
So the cost of insurance, the cost of the ticket and the popcorn are 20 times the cost of insurance for a month. I think I win the deal. You're buying insurance, right?
Yeah.
All right, you're buying insurance. So Chris, what's the fine for not having insurance?
Well, the fine is $325.
$325 for not having insurance, and you get nothing for that, of course. And what's the cost of insurance to you in Fresno?
Well, in Fresno, it's $5 a month times 12 months, $60 a year.
So for $60 a year, you could have insurance in Fresno, or you could pay $325 and get nothing. I think I win that bargain. I think you're getting insurance. Daniela, how long did it take you to figure out what you would have to do to enroll?
I found that the process is really not that difficult and it takes about 30 minutes to apply.
And what's the cost of insurance going to be for you?
Well, I actually was eligible for Medi-Cal, so I don't have to pay anything.
You're eligible for Medi-Cal, so you're going to pay a big zero. Sounds to me like this is a no-brainer for everybody. Everybody's getting insurance, right? Okay. Any more questions? Yeah.
Can we take this class time to enroll for Covered California?
You must be kidding me.